Hello everyone, this is another video about ESQL and what it can do for you. Today we have a very interesting project at hand. As you can see in front of you, we have Tamara, Sarah and Patani. They've approached us because they have a recurring problem in their company. What they want us to do is to provide a simple process where the staffs will not waste too much time on using Excel. So what is their problem really? What they are currently facing is being faced by multiple different kind of companies that have the opportunity to work with, and it's quite a basic and simple problem really that needs to be solved in a new way. Now, the conventional way that different companies use is to input data into Excel, and you now have the pains of using formulas or filters where you need to click multiple sections in Excel to kind of get what you want. So this is causing them pain because they use countless hours, and they also pay for these hours because their staff are stuck on Excel. Now, to make it very simple, the project that they have now is they are kind of trying to use spreadsheet to achieve their objective. Now, in using spreadsheet, they need to use formulas, like I said, and it's really causing lots of delays for them to achieve their project. So, as you can see in front of you, this is their project aim. Just two things they wish to achieve. Number one, they have their raw data, which they've been kind enough. I'm just going to take an highlighter here. Let's see. I think I'm going to go for, yes, red color. No, that is not red. Let's go for another one. Yes, this should be red. All right. This is the project aim. What are they trying to do? They would like to filter the raw data. Where is the raw data? This is a sample of their raw data. And what they're looking for is to filter a column that is the amount column that is greater than 50. Where is the amount column? This is the amount column here. They would like to filter this column in Excel. They just want the amount that are greater than 50. So how will this result be? Technically what they don't want to see 20, they don't want to see this 20, they don't want to see this 50 and this 10. How will the result be? This is how they expect the result to be. Now, in doing this, they wish to have this demo, this system in place where there's one single script for them to run, and they can customize to achieve anything they want to achieve in the future. Now, the big problem that they have, because people come and go, they do have constraint. They have less people with Excel knowledge, which clearly they want anybody coming to the company to be able to achieve this with zero Excel knowledge, so they can hit the ground running and achieve the projects that they want to achieve. Now, this scenario happens in multiple companies that have been opportune to work with, and we are here today. I'm telling you clearly that ESQL can solve this for your company. Now, how can ESQL solve this project aim? I'm just going to go to the next page now. What will ESQL do? ESQL will give you the opportunity to write scripts that goes into Excel. No matter the columns you have there, no matter the number of rows you have there, as you can see, what you see in front of you is kind of a visualization, if you may, of Excel data coming in from this bit here. And what ESQL does, it goes into Excel from here. As you can see, you can put your script, SQL script, which is popularly called SQL, and it gives a simple report. So looking at it now, as you can see the line, it goes from this bit all the way to this bit, and you can get a simple report here. How and what do you need to put in ESQL to get this? That is what I'm going to show you today to solve the problem of this project aim. So now, going forward, We wish at the end of the day to make every new staff in this company smile. As you can see how we're going to achieve it. Stick with me while we do it together. So at the minute now, I am just going to end what you see in front of you and bring Esql to the front of this page, and then we'll now start cracking. Alright, so yes, so let's do this. Now I'm going to bring Esql here, nice and simple. This is Esql. If you're new and you're watching this for the first time, I have covered so many things that Esql can do. Please have a look at the our previous videos. I'll be moving slow and steady to handle industry projects. This is going to be hands down practical projects where you kind of face in different companies. If you're new going to a company, you have fright, anxiety of Excel, Esql is going to solve this for you. Now, I've done multiple videos, like I said, to understand the interface of Esql, where you need to put the script, and this is going to be a hands down and fast practical solution. Bear with me if I'm too fast. Go to the other videos to see where and why I'm kind of making my clicks as I go along in this project. Now, to start off, to bring in where I need to put my code to solve the problem at hand, I need to go into Start, and today I'm going to use the big screen. Yes, and as you can see, this is the interface of Esql. So before now, what I've done, just going to bring this aside. If you watched my old videos, we are going to be going with the data. Where is the data of this project? It is, I'm going down now to table 1. This is the data. So this is the problem. This is the exact data you saw in the presentation I made before coming here to this practical demo. What you see in front of you is the problem. This data set you see here is kind of similar to most problematic data set that companies have, and they wish to run filters. Now, what do they want to do? So we are on track and know what we're doing here. They want to filter this column C to get all data that are greater than 50. So like I showed you guys in the presentation, they don't want to see 20. They don't want to see this second 20. They don't want to see 40. They don't want to see 50 and 10. I'm just going to color that out so you see visually. Yes. So they want to report where they'll see every other figure but not amount that are 50 or less than 50. How do they achieve this? This is a simple syntax. This is an SQL syntax, and in Esql, what you do, you put your syntax on the SQL code section, and the result comes here. You can also, while you're running your code, you see a visual operation simulation being done in front of you live, and you're going to see it right now. So in solving this, I have the code already, and this code is ready to go, perfect enough, meets the criteria of this project, and I'm just going to click on this run button here. So I've clicked the run button.
SQL operation started.
As you have heard, Esql gives you feedback that it has started the operation. If your code is correct,
operation finished.
It will run as fast as possible and complete it. And that is what they want. They want this simple result, because they need this this model so they can tweak it to satisfy what their company kind of use in a daily process for any operation they want. Now, just so you know, what you see in front of you is kind of used in different companies. It might be in the financial industry, it might be in the healthcare industry, it might be in the supply chain industry, any industry whatsoever. But you're just going to make this part big now so everybody can see it clear. In case you're not seeing it, in case you're using a smaller device, let me close this one down. So I'm just going to increase this bit So as you can see, it's big enough now, I hope. So yes, so this is the solution they're looking at. Just gonna make this graph yes. So this is the solution, what ESQL has done within seconds. This is how fast ESQL can achieve your project, and you get more time back. So going back now, this is a demo that I've just run now to solve the problem, and as you can see here, this is a use case that can be used in the financial and banking industry, the healthcare industry, also e-commerce, telecommunications, retail, education. For any kind of scenario you want to filter, you have issues with resources, team members not knowing Excel coming in, or advanced users have limited time to kind of finish up their project. They want to apply this filter. This can kind of be a use case where they can use ESQL, just one script, and get their job done without bothering about formulas, about the understanding of Excel. Now, it can also be used in the travel and hospitality industry, manufacturing industry, marketing and advertising, and even the social sector. So it can also be used for training, custom solutions, and any other thing. If you do want to get in touch with us, please do. We are happy to dig into your project and make life simpler than before. So moving forward now, as you can see, this is the end of this presentation. Watch out for the next one. We are going to be diving deep into projects and solving it as we go along with simple and new game changers, really, that I believe ESQL is here to provide. This is the result, and now this is ESQL ready to support you in any kind of project you have. Thank you very much. Bye.